Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of the how I wrap my portraits video, and in this one I'm going to show you how I package them ready for posting. So if you'd like to see how I wrap my portraits up until this point, you can check out my previous video, which I'll put a little link in the description and at the top of the video. But to start off, I just place the portrait on a piece of mount board or grey board. It's got a couple of different names, and make a rough estimate of how big I want it. I like to have it slightly bigger than the portrait itself, just in case it does get knocked or anything, then the grey board will get damaged, not the actual portrait. So I just cut it to size and then put the portrait on top, make sure it fits. Then I take a do not bend envelope, and this is for the smaller portraits. I cut the envelope in half and I make sure the front of the portrait with the drawing on is against the grey board, and then put it in so that the back of the drawing is against the back of the envelope. I just find this protects it better. I then use a piece of washi tape just to tape down the envelope so nothing falls out. I also think washi tape looks nice, so I use that instead of sellotape. Once I've done that, I then just write a little thank you on the envelope and put one of my little Love Alice logo stickers. So once I've added the little label, I then take my package, which is now all wrapped up and protected, and put it inside one of my gold spotty mailing bags. I love these bags. I might change colours this year, but at the minute I'm loving the gold. I then take 2 business cards and one of my vouchers and just pop them inside the parcel as well. And then fold it all over and use the strip seal to stick it shut. There will always be a gap on my small portraits, so I fold that over as well. I tape it down at one end or both ends, and then on the back I also include one of my little return labels, just in case a portrait does go a bit wonky or on a little journey it's not supposed to. At least I know that it will come back to me as the return address. So I put that on the back, and then on the front I just turn it over. I put another Love Alice label at the top and one of my little logo stickers on the bottom so people know who it's from. Where there is the two bit, I print off a label with my customer's address, and then I print off my postage as well and put that on the top. And that is how I package my portraits. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a little thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And if you've got any more questions, just comment down below and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!